167. What is the minimum guaranteed average airflow velocity that must be ensured at the inlet air doors of the auxiliary converter unit? A. 2.8 msb, 3.5 msc, 4 meters sd, 5 meters s. The correct answer is C. 4 meters s. 168. What is the minimum guaranteed average airflow velocity that must be ensured at the exit air doors of the auxiliary converter unit? A. 4 meters SB, 3.0 MSC, 2.8 MSD, 5 meters S. The correct answer is C. 2.8 ms. 169. Checking the brake chopper resistor for damages and welded joints is required during which schedules? A. SS1, SS2, SS3B, quarterly, 9 monthly, SS1, SS2, SS3C, all schedules. D. Trip, monthly, quarterly, 9 monthly, SS1. The correct answer is C. All schedules. Pantograph carbon strips must be replaced if the thickness falls below what range? A. 3 to 4 mm B, 5 to 6 mm C, 7 to 8 mm. D. 4 to 5 mm. The correct answer is B. 5 to 6 mm. 171. What is the acceptable static contact force range for the pantograph? A. 70 N to 75 NB, 70 N to 80 NC, 80 N to 85 ND, 65 N to 70 N. The correct answer is B. 70 N to 80 N. 172. What are the specified time limits for the raising and lowering time of the pantograph? A. 5 to 10 seconds B, 6 to 10 seconds C, 5 to 8 seconds D, 7 to 12 seconds. The correct answer is B. 6 to 10 seconds. 173. The pantograph cable needs to be exchanged if more than how many single wires are broken damaged? A. More than 5B, more than 10C, more than 3D, more than one single braid. The correct answer is B. More than 10. 174. For the vacuum circuit breaker, regeneration of molecular sieves by heating is required if the increase in weight is more than how many kg from the new weight? A. 0.5 kilograms B, 0.8 kilograms. C. 1.0 kilograms D, 1.2 kilograms. The correct answer is B. 0.8 kilograms. 175. What is the minimum required breakdown voltage for transformer all sampling? A. 30 kV B, 35 kV C, 40 kV D, 50 kV. The correct answer is C. 40 kV. 176. What is the maximum acceptable water content requirement for transformer all sampling? A. 50 ppm B, 40 ppm C, 30 ppm D, 20 ppm. The correct answer is C. 30 ppm. 177. During the functional for the pantograph, what is the specified lifting time? A. Within 5 to 10 seconds B, within 5 to 8 seconds C, within 6 to 10 seconds D, exactly 10 seconds. The correct answer is C. Within 6 to 10 seconds. 178. What is the specified lowering time for the pantograph during functional testing? A. 5 to 8 seconds. B. 6 to 10 seconds. C. 10 to 15 seconds. D. Exactly 6 seconds. The correct answer is B. 6 to 10 seconds. 179. During the functional under the monthly schedule, the train BN battery voltage must be checked. What is also required to be checked concerning the auxiliary air compressor during this task? A. The pressure switch range C, that it is working based on the pressure switch. B. That it is isolated by the CMAs. D. The cooling unit functionality. The correct answer is C, that it is working based on the pressure switch. 180. Following an emergency call, after selecting accept on the MMI, the PCU indication LED should glow constantly in which color? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Yellow. D. Green. The correct answer is D. Green. 181. During the emergency brake test, the emergency brake should be applied and released several times using which devices? A. Master controller only. B. Driver's brake valve only. C. Emergency brake push buttons only. D. MCH, driver's brake valve and emergency brake push buttons. The correct answer is D. MCH, driver's brake valve and emergency brake push buttons. 182. According to the leakage test procedure specified in the MR, pressure in the motor car should not fall below 0.1 bar in how many minutes? A. 1 minute. B. 5 minutes. C. 10 minutes. D. 15 minutes. The correct answer is B. 5 minutes. 183. According to air pressure build-up test, when measuring the pressure build-up time, which compressors must remain cut out while BU4 compressor is cut in? A. Only BU1 compressor. B. Only BU2 and BU3 compressors. C. BU1, BU2 and BU3 compressors. D. All compressors remain cut in. The correct answer is C. BU1, BU2 and BU3 compressors. 184. The air pressure build-up test measures the time taken for the Mr. pressure to build up from 0 bar to what pressure level in the whole train set? A. 5 bar. B. 8 bar. C. 10 bar. D. 12 bar. The correct answer is C. 10 bar. 185. In the Mr. pressure drop test, for how long should the train be left in the charged condition with all compressors cut out? A. 5 minutes. B. 30 minutes. C. 1 hour. D. 2 hours. The correct answer is C. 1 hour. 186. In the BP pressure drop test, the auto brake handle must be placed in which position before cutting out all compressors? C. BP charge in position. D. Release position. The correct answer is C. BP charging position. 187. How often are all parts of the master controller cleaned using dry compressed air? A. SS1, SS2, SS-3. B. Quarterly, 9 monthly, SS1. C. 9 monthly, SS1, SS2 and SS3. D. Monthly and quarterly. The correct answer is C. 9 monthly, SS1, SS2 and SS3. 188. For the head code unit, if fasteners are loosened, they should be tightened to what torque value? A. 3.5 Newton meters. B. 4.4 Newton meters. C. 5.0 Newton meters. D. 7.0 Newton meters. The correct answer is B. 4.4 Newton meters. 189. If any damage is found in the head code display, what action is required? A. Note the defect and monitor. B. Replace the HCD. C. Repair the damage locally. D. Tighten the fasteners. The correct answer is B. Replace the HCD. 190. For the side destination board unit, what torque value is specified for tightening the fasteners if loosened? A. 3.0 Newton meters. B. 4.4 Newton meters. C. 5.0 Newton meters. D. 6.5 Newton meters. The correct answer is B. 4.4 Newton meters. 191. When inspecting RMPU pipe work, checking all threaded joints for leaks is required during which schedules? A. Monthly only. B. Quarterly. 9 monthly. SS 1C, SS 1, SS 2, and SS 3D. Monthly. Quarterly. 9 monthly. SS 1. The correct answer is C. SS 1, SS 2, and SS 3. 192. When removing bogies from the vehicle, how many connections must typically be removed between the bogie and the underframe? A. 4 connections. B. 5 connections. C. 6 connections. D. 8 connections. The correct answer is C. 6 connections. 193. When coupling the semi-permanent coupler, what is the initial torque applied to the nuts? A. 185 Newton meters. B. 60 Newton meters. C. 120 Newton meters. D. 170 Newton meters. The correct answer is B. 60 Newton meters. 194. What is the final total torque applied to the nuts of the semi-permanent coupler? A. 120 Newton meters. B. 170 Newton meters. C. 185 Newton meters. D. 242 Newton meters. The correct answer is C. 185 Newton meters. 195. During the coupling procedure, both socket halves of the semi-permanent coupler must be verified to be parallel within what maximum distance? A. 0.5 mm. B. 1 mm. C. 2 mm. D. 4 mm. The correct answer is C. 2 mm. 196. If the wheel tread diameter is between 932 mm and 952 mm, what is the specified brake caliper mounting surface height from rail level? A. 601 mm plus or minus 3 mm. B. 701 mm plus or minus 3 mm. C. 591 mm plus or minus 3 mm. D. 688 mm plus or minus 3 mm. The correct answer is B. 701 mm plus or minus 3 mm. 197. If the wheel tread diameter is between 912 mm and 932 mm, what is the required shim thickness below the air spring? A. Nil. B. 5 mm. C. 10 mm. D. 20 mm. The correct answer is C. 10 mm. 198. If the wheel tread diameter is between 877 mm and 892 mm, what is the required air spring height plus shim thickness? A. 310 plus 5 minus 0 mm. B. 320 plus 5 minus 0 millimeters. C. 330 plus 5 minus 0 millimeters. D. 300 plus 5 minus 0 millimeters. The correct answer is C. 330 plus 5 minus 0 millimeters. 199. What is the standard height for the coupler from rail level? A. 1105 plus 0 minus 10 millimeters. B. 940 plus 0 minus 5 millimeters. C. 701 plus 3 minus 3 millimeters. D. 940 plus 0 minus 5 millimeters. The correct answer is D. 940 plus 0 minus 5 millimeters. What is the final required torque specified for the tightening of dampers? A. 174 Newton meters. B. 242 Newton meters. C. 192 Newton meters. D. 192 Newton meters. 80 Newton meters. The correct answer is D. 192 Newton meters. 80 Newton meters. 201. What is the verified height of the secondary air spring mounting surface from rail level under tare load condition? A. 701 millimeters. B. 688 millimeters. C. 300 millimeters. D. 195 millimeters. The correct answer is B. 688 millimeters.
दोस्तों, ये था पार्ट 2 का अंतिम भाग। आशा है कि वंदे भारत ट्रेन से जुड़ी ये जानकारी आपको पसंद आई होगी और आपके आने वाले CNW मैकेनिक के किसी भी परीक्षा, चाहे वह AWM हो, एडमी हो या JE में जरूर मदद करेगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो उपयोगी लगा हो तो इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। आपका समर्थन ही हमें और बेहतर कंटेंट बनाने की प्रेरणा देता है। धन्यवाद।